Now coming one to the building on your right, you'll find on the top with a Canadian flag. What's that? Embassy. Right. This is the closest embassies in this country. U.S. brother, Canada. Now this building on your right is our embassy here. You see the flagpole? Yeah. Because today is a Canada Day. Now we keep moving. We'll pass a building on the left is the National Archive. That's the movie. They have a gala. That's the Declaration of Independence was stolen. That's exactly the same place. And also the FBI building. We will soon. You guys will see it soon. Now today is a Monday. It's a working day. It's a working day, and the summers start. But it's quiet. And also, you guys will see. I'll show you the Donald Trump, the newest. The name is a hotel, Donald Trump International Hotel. That's a before presidency. He had this project. It's a before the president, before campaign. Now on the left, this is the Archive of the United States of America. This is the gala there. This is Declaration of Independence stored here and on your left. Now past this traffic light, now we stop in traffic light. Past this traffic light on your right, this is FBI headquarters. FBI headquarters. And also the two guys are coming out from the building. They are very upset that there's no agents. The agents ignore them. Right? They want to report this. Report about the Declaration of Independence will be stolen, but no people care them. Yeah, they are very upset and stepping off the building. That is the FBI building on your right. Past this traffic light. Now this one on the right, FBI building, FBI headquarters. Now we're going to make a right turn. On your left, you'll find it look like a cathedral. This is a Donald Trump International Hotel. Trump Hotel, Trump International Hotel. The latest one, not the newest one. This is before the presidency. On the left, this one, Trump International Hotel. Beautiful, right? Yeah, beautiful. So, okay, now folks, we'll spend about an hour here. So right now it's a 1:47. So 2:47. 2:47. Everybody come back to the same spot. Everybody come back to the same spot. 2:47. Now, if you guys have the ticket, you just prepare the ticket, and we'll go to the line and go into the museum, wax museum. Now walk slowly and enjoy the statue and take a picture with the statue. And also they have description about this president, so it's worth to spend the time to have a look.